As we continue, okay, this one is a pattern. They give us a pattern, okay? So remember, this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So all you have to do is figure out what 1/3 is. If you put 1/3 in your calculator and press Control Enter, you get 0.33. 4/3 would be 1.33. Okay, 3. 16 over 3 is 5.33. 25 over 3 is going to be 8.33. Okay, and then 12. Alright, so what we're going to do is put these in your calculator. Add graph, Control divide 2 over 3. Or 2x over 3. Enter. Remember, I go to Control divide, no Control T to get to my thing. So we already know the first one is incorrect. So I'm going to go to my next one, which is x squared divided by 3. So I'm going to put Control T to get out of there. Tab, go back up. I put a square there, and I need to delete that. 2x. Okay, Control T. 0.33, 1.33. This looks good. I went a little faster, but as you can see, it looks good. Okay, so we go to the next one. If y is equal to -4/5 x minus 2, what is the value of x? I need to find x when y is 9. So all I have to do is substitute that in there. -9 equals -4/5 x minus 2. I can solve for x, but I'm going to just use my calculator, okay? Menu, new documents, no. I'm going to add a calculator now. This, because I'm solving for x, I'm going to use algebra. Solve systems, delete 1, enter. -9 equals, see what else I forgot. -4/5 over 2, Control divide, -4/5 x minus 2. 35 over 4. Is that an answer? Yes, it is. A student bought concert case. C is in dollars, T is the tickets, okay? So if the student spends a total of $83 on tickets, how many tickets? So I don't know how many tickets, so all I have to do is put 83 here. Okay, that way I can solve it. So to do that, I'm going to go to my calculator and go to algebra again. delete. I want 1, enter. So this time it's 83 equals 24.50 x plus 950. So the answer is 3. Okay. This time P, the way that we do this one, whenever they have it inside, we just substitute for the x. So I have 5, 11 square plus 1 plus 16. And so you can put all of that in your calculator. 5 parentheses 11 square plus 1 plus 16, 626. Okay, so anytime they have it in parentheses like that, you just have to replace the x, because that's normally where the x is. Okay, the first thing you need to do is graph this in your calculator. So y is less than 1 minus 6x. So I'm going to go new documents, no, add graph. I press delete. Let me see which one they want here. They want the less than. So y is less than. Let me see the rest with it. 1 minus 6x. 1 minus 6x. Enter. So now we're asking for the solution. Okay, 1, 0. 1, 0 is over here, so that's no good. 1, negative 1. 1, negative 1, that's no good. 0, 1. 0, 1, that's on the line, so that's probably not good. Negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1, that's in the, remember, inside is good. Inside the shaded region is good. Okay. Let me show you a new trick. I gotta update your calculator, but you can do this in the calculator also. Negative 2x plus 3y is less than 12. Okay, so I'm gonna go tab, I'm gonna go back up, delete, delete. And let me show you from the beginning. Listen, no. I'm gonna add a graph. Okay, this time when I press delete, I'm gonna go down to relations. Okay, if you click relations, you can type it in any way you want. So negative 2x plus 3y is greater than 12. Negative 2x plus 3y is greater than 12. Enter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, wrong one. Okay. And if you look at it, it's on this side. So remember, there's no line here, so these two are wrong. So this one right there is correct. Okay, here, this one we actually have to solve because there's no way around it. Unless you want to graph it. You graph that one, you graph that one. And the one that matches is going to be correct. But let's solve. Okay, so that's going to be y is greater than, I'm going to put this right here, plus 7 over 2x. 7 over 2x minus 4. Again, equivalent, so I add here that both sides has y, so I'm going to subtract 5y to both sides first. Okay, and I have negative 3y, negative 3x, 9. So I add 3x. So I have negative 3y is greater than 3x plus 9 divided by negative 3. So y is, we have to switch the sign here because we're dividing by negative x minus 3. I know we're done, okay, but let me show you that you can also check your answer by going to relations, okay? Tab. I'm going to go back to the original one. I'm going to delete it, okay? And I'm going to type in negative 3x plus 2y. Okay. Oops, I keep on pressing the wrong one. Okay, negative 3x plus 2y control. I think it's greater than, right? It's greater than 5y plus 9. 5y plus 9. Enter. Okay. Now we can type in our answer, which was y is less than negative x minus 3. You see how it's the same? That way now we know it's correct.